Hi everyone, David here from Mortgage Choice. Well, the RBA have lifted the cash rate again by 50 basis points, which was expected. We are still expecting to see a few more rate rises on the way for the rest of the year. What we're seeing a lot of at the moment is the term mortgage prisoner being thrown around by the media, and I wanted to touch on that a little bit today. Yes, rates are increasing, and yes, that means that your borrowing capacity decreases. And yes, that means that your potential to refinance is reduced or limited, but that doesn't mean that all of the options are removed. We can still review borrowing capacity. Some lenders have different policies to increase borrowing capacity, so there's always an option to review that. Also, speaking with your current lender about what they can do for your loan is always an option. So it's really important to keep in mind that the media will throw out these terms to worry you, to concern you, but at the end of the day, there are still options available and there are still discussions that need to be had with your broker to find out what suits you specifically and what you can do to improve your cash flow each month and reduce your rate. So I highly recommend you give us a call and discuss what we can do to help reduce your rate, if that be refinancing to another lender, or if that is just getting a better discount with your current lender. Plenty of things to discuss. The other thing I wanted to mention today was that we are going to be holding a webinar on the 20th of September. You would have received, for the most part, an email with a link to that. I'd love to see a lot of you there. We are going to be discussing upgrading homes. Now, that's not directly related to a lower interest rate, but if you do need to upgrade, or if you're considering upgrading, higher interest rates and interest rate rises are going to play an impact. And so it's really important to make sure all of your ducks are in a row. So highly recommend that you come to that webinar on the 20th of September at 7:30 p.m. Would love to see you there. In the meantime, be sure to book a meeting and we can discuss what we can do to better your interest rate with your current lender or by looking at other lender options.